So let's continue, my dear friends. So if you see in the last class, we have completed probability, right? So in this session, what we'll do, we'll try to complete logs. If time permits, we'll go further for linear inequalities as well. Okay. So till now, we have completed sequence and series, permutations and combinations, sets, relations and functions, and time value of money. These are the 4 chapters what we have completed in mathematics. These are the most weighted chapters in mathematics. These 4 chapters alone comprise of around 24 marks. Okay, so our focus will be more on these 4 chapters. Now, my dear friends, logarithms, what we are doing right now, the weightage of this chapter is somewhere around 1 to 2 marks. You can get either 1 question, or if your fate is good, you can get 2 questions. Okay, so 1 to 2 marks is the weightage of this chapter. So basically, my dear friends, logarithms, they are nothing but they are something which we use for advanced calculations. Okay, though nowadays we have calculators which are very advanced than logarithms, still in modern days we use logarithms in certain places of financial management. That's the reason we have these logarithms in our syllabus. Okay, so first let us understand how to develop a logarithm. Okay, say for example, I'm having 2 power 5 is equals to 32. I want to write it in terms of logarithms. How can you write it? If I'm having a power x is equals to n, and this entire expression, if I want to convert it into log, it will be log n to the base a is equals to x. Okay. Here n is nothing but resultant. N is nothing but resultant. A is nothing but base. X is nothing but power. So value of log will always be equals to its power. Now 2 power 5 is equals to 32 is given. I want to write it in terms of logs. How will I write? Log 32 to the base 2 is equals to 5. So what's happening here? The value of log, I'm equating it to power. I'm having 3 cube is equals to 27. How will I write it in terms of log? Log 27 to the base 3 is equals to 3. Okay, because log resultant to the base is always equals to power. I'm having 7 power 0 is equals to 1. Log 1 to the base 7 equals to 0. Okay, I'm having 5 power 0 is equals to 1. Log 1 to the base 5 is equals to 0. So can you see here, my dear friends, I can develop a property here. What's the property, sir? Log 1 to the base anything will be equals to 0. What will be the property? Log 1 to the base anything will be equals to 0. So I hope it's clear how to convert a value into log. Okay, how will you convert into a value into a log? Simply, any value is given, just write it in terms of logarithm. Log resultant to the base is equals to power. Next step. Now, let's proceed further. Now, next example. I'm having 7 power 1 is equals to 7. 9 power 1 is equals to 9. 100 power 1 is equals to 100. Okay. Or a power 1 is equals to a. If I want to write it in terms of logs, how will I write? Log resultant to the base is equals to power. Log resultant to the base is equals to power. Log resultant to the base is equals to power. Again, log resultant to the base is equals to power. So can I say, my dear friends, one more property I have developed here? What is that one more property? Log a to the base a will be equals to 1. Okay, so simple, nothing much simple, right? So 2 properties, 3 points we have understood. How to convert a number into log. I am having a power x is equals to k. If I am having a power x is equals to n, then log resultant to the base will be equals to power. Next, log 1 to the base anything will be equals to 0. Then log a to the base a will be equals to 1. So I hope all these points are clear. Yes, sir. Let's look into this now. So first one, if a power x is equals to n, then log n to the base a will be equals to x. make sure that n is not equal to 0. That is, n is not a negative number. N cannot be 0 or n cannot be negative numbers. Next, log n to the base a will, in log n to the base c, obviously n can't be negative. Tell me something I have done square of something. Can you get negative? No, right? No. Now you can say, sir, I'll do cube of something. Can it be negative? Yeah. Then in that case, it can be negative. Okay. Next. Log n to the base a is equals to x. N is resultant, a is base. Then x is supposed to be power. That's what I'm saying. Log resultant to the base is equals to power. Next, if base is missing, always take it as 10. If base is written as e, we call them as natural or Neperian logs. Now, sometimes what happens, my dear friends, when we are solving the sums, he will just give you log 5. There won't be anything in the base. Okay. Or he'll give you just log 3. Or he'll give you just log 10. There won't be anything in the base. In that case, what you will assume? Always you will assume the base to be 10. Okay, these are called as common logarithms. Sometimes, my dear friends, he will give you log 7 to the base e. In this case, my dear friends, we don't call it as common logarithms. Rather, we call it as natural logs. However, we don't use natural logs in our syllabus. We use only common logs in our syllabus. Okay, there's no place where you only one sum is there, I guess, where you will be using this natural logs. However, everywhere you will be using common logs itself. If base is missing, always take the base as e. Okay, next. So always take the base as 10, not e. Next, third point is done. Next, fourth point is also done. Now, fifth point, we have already discussed. Log a to the base a is equals to 1. So can I say log 10 to the base 10 is equals to 1? Yes, sir. Can I say log 5 to the base 5 is equals to 1? Yes, sir. Can I say log 11 to the base 11 is equals to 1? Yes, sir. Can I say log 1 lakh to the base 1 lakh equals to 1? Yes, sir. Next, log 1 to the base anything will be equals to 0. Log 1 to the base anything will be equals to 0. Already this point also we have discussed. Now, my dear friends, we have seen how to convert a value into a logarithm. Then how will you convert log back into a value? Simple. I'll do cross product rule. See here. When a power x is equals to n is there, you wrote log n to the base a is equals to x, right? Now I'll do cross product. A power x is equals to n. Okay. Like say, for example, I'm telling log root 2 to the base a is equals to x. I'm asking you what is the value of log root 2 to the base a is equals to 1 by 6. I'm asking you what is the value of a. In this case, how will you do? You will use cross product. A power 1 by 6 is equals to root 2. A power 1 by 6 is equals to root 2. I'll send 6 to the right side. A is equals to root 2 power 6. Root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 6. That is 2 cube. What is 2 cube, my dear friends? 8. So we know how to convert a number into log. We know how to convert a log into number. Okay. So if you are having log n to the base a is equals to x, how will you write it in terms of numbers? A power x will be equals to n. A power x will be equals to n. Okay. Now use this concept and try to solve these questions and tell me what is the answer. Okay. Log x to the base 9 is equals to minus 2. I want you to calculate x value. Next. Log x to the base 8 is equals to minus 2 by 3. Again, I want you to calculate x value. Log 1 by 25 to the base x is equals to 1 by 2. I want you to calculate x value. Next. Log x to the base 10,000 is equals to 1 by 4. Go ahead and calculate the x value. log x to the base 4 is equals to minus 1 by 4. Go ahead and calculate the x value. 5 examples. Example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5. So I want you to solve these 5 examples. In these 5 examples, go ahead and convert log into a normal thing. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, 3 minutes would be enough. Go ahead and solve this. Okay, let's solve them. So it's simple, my dear friends. We need to convert these logs back into number. Cross product again. 9 power minus 2 is equals to x. 9 power minus 2 is equals to x. What is 9 power minus 2? 1 by 9 square. That is a power minus m will be 1 by a power m. That is nothing but 1 by 81. Next, again, simple cross product rule. 8 power minus 2 by 3 is equals to x. 8, how can I write? Can I write as 2 cube? Yes, sir. 2 cube power minus 2 by 3 is equals to x. 3 cancel. 2 power minus 2, which is simply equals to 1 by 4. Next, again, same cross product rule again. X power 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 25. I'll do squaring on both sides. X is equals to 1 by 25 whole square, which is simply equals to 1 by 625. Okay, simple. Now next, here also 10,000 power 1 by 4 is equals to x. So 10,000 can write 10 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. So 4 cancel, 10 power 1, which is equals to 10. Next, again, simple cross product. X is equals to 4 power minus 1 by 4. So 4, I hope I can write 2 power 2 into minus 1 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So 2 power minus 1 by 2. So simply equals to 1 divided by root. Okay. So simple, all the log sums, 5 log sums. So first property, I hope it's simple. First property, we have seen how to convert log to number. Sorry, first property, we have seen how to convert number to log. Next, I said you log 1 to the base anything is 0. Log anything to the base anything is equals to 1. Next, I said you how to convert log back into number. Okay, a simple cross product. Next, I said you if nothing is there in the base, you will assume it as 10. However, sometimes people will also assume it as e, that is called as natural logs. We will be using common logs. Next, let's proceed further, my dear friends. Now, log 1 to the base anything is equals to 0. Now, before going to point number 7, let me discuss point number 8 and 9. Point number 8, he is telling log m into n is equals to log m plus log n. Next, ninth one, log m by n is log m minus log n. So in logarithms, my dear friends, multiplication converts to, it's not log m plus n, it is log m plus log n. It's wrong over here. Let me erase this. It is log m plus log n. Okay. So here what's happening, my dear friends? Multiplication is getting converted to addition and division is getting converted to subtraction. Okay. Like say, for example, I'm having log 5 into 3. How can I write log 5 into 3? Simply, I'll write it as log 5 plus log 3. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Next, log 7 into log 5 is given. Can I write it as log 35? Nonsense, sir. You cannot write it. Or can I write it as log 7 plus log 5? No, sir. You cannot write it. Or can I write it as log 7 into log 5 is there. Can I write it as log 7 plus 5? No, sir. Again, nonsense. Be careful. Log mn can be written as log m plus log n. Or else I'm having like this. Log 7 plus log 5 is there. Then you can write it as log 7 into 5, which is equals to log 35. Just remember, my dear friends, log mn will be log m plus log n, or log m plus log n will be log m into n. Simple. Be careful. Next. Example. This is one previous year question. I'm having log 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay. Now log 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is that. Can you write it in any form? Is it matching point number 8? No, sir, it's not matching point number 8. Then what is the answer for this? Simple. The answer is log 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is simply equals to log 14. Okay. That's it. There's nothing much special in this sum. It's not matching anything over here. So what's the property number 8? Log m into n is equals to log m plus log n. Next, property 9. Log m by n is equals to log m minus log n. Like say for example, I'm having log 7 by 14. How can you write it as? Log 7 minus log 14. Or 7 1 7 2, so log 1 minus log 2 you can write, there is no issue. I'm having log 30 minus log 15. How can you write it as? Log 30 by 15, which is equals to log 2. Okay. So I hope the property number 9 is clear, my dear friends. It's simple. Log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. Now, one small question which I want you to answer. It's simple, think and solve. There's nothing much difficulty over there. Example. I'm asking you find value of log 1.5 to the base 10 if log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, log 3 to the base 10 is equals to 0.4771. Think and solve. It is simple. I'll wait for 1 minute. He is asking you to calculate log 1.5 to the base 10. Log 2 value is given, log 3 value is given. What do you think is the answer? Simple, sir. See here. Log 1.5 to the base 10. Can I write it like this? Log 15 by 10 to the base 10. What is 1.5? 15 by 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 2 is 10. So log 3 by 2 to the base 10. What is log a by b? Log a minus log b. Log 3 is 0.4771. Log 2 0.3010. So answer is 0.1761. Okay, simple. If you want, you can do it in calculator also. I'll tell you later on how to do it in calculator. But first, let us learn the concepts. Once concepts are done, then we can see how to do log 1.5 to the base 10 in calculator. Okay. Now, 10th point. Log a into b into c, so on till z is given. It is simple. It is log a plus log b plus log c, so on till log z. Log a plus log b plus log c plus log d, so on till log z. Next. See these points 11, 12, and 13. All the three are important. Now, point number 11. Log a to the base m, log a to the power m is given. If log a to the power m is given, my dear friends, we can write it as m log a. M goes here and we can write it as m log a. Like say for example, I is telling what is value of log 10,000. How can you write the value of log 10,000? Can I write it as log 10 power 4? Yes, sir. 10 power 4, I'll write it as 4 log 10. Now, if nothing is there, can I say base will be 10? Yes, sir. What is log something to the base? Same thing. 1. So what is the answer? 4. Okay. Simple point. There's nothing much difficulty over here. Right? Next. Let's proceed to the next one. Example. I'm asking what is the value of log 625? How will you write it as? Log 5 power 4. Which is simply equals to 4 log 5. Okay. Next. I'm asking what is log 49 to the base 7? You'll write it as log 7 square to the base 7, which is 2 log 7 to the base 7. It is nothing but 2. Okay. So I hope 11th property is clear, my dear friends. What is 11th property? Log a to the base m will always be equals to m. Next, 12th property. Log a to the base b power n will be equals to 1 by n log a base b. Remember this, if power is there to a, it comes to numerator. If power is there to base, it comes to denominator. Simple. Power is there to a, comes to numerator. Power is there to base, it comes to denominator. Now, say for example, I am saying log 5 to the base 125. How can I write it as log 5? 125, can I write it as 5 cube? Yes, sir. That is 1 by 3 log 5 to the base 5. What is log 5 to the base 5? Obviously, sir, 1. Because log something to the base, same thing, is 1. Next, log 10 to the base 10,000. Can I write it like this? Log 10 to the base 10 power 4? Yes, sir. So 1 by 4 log 10 to the base 10, which is simply equals to 1 by 4. Okay. So I hope these 11 and 12 points are clear. Log a power m is m log a. Log a base b power n is 1 by n log a base b. Now, let's come to point number 13. Point number 13 is good one. Log a power m base b power. What is log a power m base b power n? We can write it as m by n log a base b. Okay. Like say for example, my dear friends, I am having log 125 to the base 625. How can I write log 125 to the base 625? Simple. I will write it as log 5 cube to the base 5 power 4. So 3 by 4 log 5 to the base 5, which is simply equals to 3 by 4. Why, sir? What is log 5 to the base 5? Obviously, sir, 1 log 5 to the base 5 is. Next, one more example. Log 81 to the base 243. Now, 81, how can I write? I'll write it as log 3 power 4. 243, how can I write? 3 power 5. So 4 by 5 log 3 base 3. What is log 3 base 3? 1. So what is the answer? 4 by 5. So I hope 11, 12 and 13 points are clear. 11th one, log a power m is m log m. 12th one, log a base b power n is 1 by n log a base b. 13th one, log a power m base b power n is 1 m by n log a base b. Now, I'll give you 5 questions. Just try to solve them and tell me the answer. They are simple, nothing much difficulty. You will be in a position to crack them. Okay. Now, examples. First one, log 0.001 base 0.1. Second, log 64 to the base root 2. Third, log 0.0625 to the base 2. Next, fourth one, log 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Fifth one, log 1 by 81 to the base 3. 5 questions. Take around 4 minutes and solve them and tell me the answers. So let's get the answers of this. Now log 0.0001 to the base 0.1. How can we write this? I'll write it as log 0.1 whole power 4 to the base 0.1. Right? What is 0.1 whole power 4? 0.0001, which is equals to 4 log 0.1 to the base 0.1. What is log 0.1 to the base 0.1? Obviously, sir, 1. So that's the reason answer is 4. Yeah, next. Now log 64 to the base 2 root 2 is given. How can I write log 64? Can I write it as log 64 as 2 power 6? Yes, 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 16, 32, 64. Root 2, can I write it as 2 power 1 by 2? Yes, sir. So 6 divided by 1 by 2, log 2 root 2, base 2. So what is 6 by half? 2 goes to the numerator, 12. Log 2 base 2. What is log 2 base 2? 1. So what are the answers, sir? Answer is simply 12. There's nothing much difficulty here. Simply answer is 12. Next. Log 0.0625 to the base root 2. Sorry, to the base 2. This is little tricky, my dear friends. Okay. See, at first instance, you may not get the answer, but it's simple. Log 0.0625 to the base 2. Now, what is 1 by 2? 0.5. What is 1 by 2 square? Let's check. 1 divided by 2, 1 square. 0.25. 1 by 2 cube. I hope 0.125. The same way, 1 divided by 2 power 4. It is 0.0625. So this is, my dear friends, it is log 1 divided by 2 power 4. Can I write 2 power minus 4 is equals to 0.0625? Yes, sir, you can write 2 power minus 4 as 0.0625. So log 2 power minus 4 to the base 2. So minus 4 log 2 base 2. What is log 2 base 2? Obviously, sir, 1. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 4. Simple. Next. Question number 4. Question number 4, we have to use our calculator. First, we need to calculate 2 root 3 in the calculator. How will you calculate? 3 under root into 2 into 1 equals to 3 under root into 2 into 1 equals to. If I do this, I'll get 3.4641. I'll press equals to again. I'll get 11.999999. I'll press equals to again. I'll get 41.5692. I'll press equals to again. I'll get 143.999999. I'll get equals to again 498.83. I'll press equals to again. I'll get 1727.99999, which is 1728. Means how many times you pressed equal to here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times you pressed equal to, my dear friends. So can I say, my dear friends, it is nothing but simple sum. This is, it is log 2 root 3 whole power 6 to the base 6. Obviously, sir. So 6, sorry, to the base 2 root 3. So 6 log 2 root 3 to the base 2 root 3, which is equal to 6. What is log 2 root 3 to the base 2 root 3? 1. What is 6 into 1? 1. Next. Fifth one. Fourth one, little tricky, fourth and third one. But yeah, you should be in a position to crack it, provided you know how to calculate 2 root 3 in the calculator. 3 under root into 2 into 1 equals to. Okay, first do those things. What is there inside root? Now log 1 by 81 by base 3, it's very chiller. Log 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4, 81. log 3 power minus 4 to the base 3. So minus 4 log 3 base 3. So resultant is minus 4. Simple sum? Yes, sir, simple. Nothing much difficult. So I hope all these 5 examples are clear. So these 5 examples will help us to learn log a power m is m log a. Log a base b power n is 1 by n log a base b. Log m a power m base b power n is equals to m by n log a base b. Okay. Don't worry, my dear friends. I have selected some good sums. Around 11 sums are there which we need to solve, which will help us to understand the entire concept. Okay. Next. 14th one is important, my dear friends. I am having log a base b. Log a base b, my dear friends, can be written as 1 by log b base a, or it can be written as log a by log b. It is called as change of base rule. Like say, for example, I am having log 5 to the base 3. I can write it as log 5 divided by log 3. Sir, nothing is there in the base. Then what you'll take it as? You'll take it as 10. Here it will be 10. Okay. I am having log 3 to the base 5. So can I write? I'll write it as log 3 divided by log 10. Okay. So I hope that's fine. I'm having log 5 to the base 7. If I want, I can even write it as 1 by log 7 to the base 5. This is called as base shifting. So if I do cross multiplication, my dear friends, obviously log 5 to the base 7 into log 7 to the base 5 will be equals to 1. If you don't agree with this, you can multiply these two and you can check. Log 5 to the base 3 and log 3 to the base 5, they'll get cancelled and you'll be left out with 1. Okay. In the same parallels, my dear friends, log a base b, log b base c, log c base a will be equals to 1. Log a base b, log b base c, log c base a will be equals to 1. All those things will get cancelled and will be equals to 1. Next. If log x is equals to log y, log can be cancelled and I can write x is equals to y. Okay. Like say, for example, I'm telling log x square is equals to log 9. Then what will be x? Log cancel, x square is equals to 9, x will be equals to 3. Okay. So I hope all the 16 points are clear, my dear friends. What is the first one? How to convert a number into log. A power x is equals to n, log n to the base a will be equals to x. Next, in log n to the base a is equals to x, n is resultant, a is base and x is power. Next, we have seen how to convert a log back into number, cross product rule, a power x is equals to n. If base is missing, always you will take it as n, that is called as common log. If base is written as e, we call it as natural log. However, we don't use in our syllabus, only one sum is there, I hope. Log a to the base a is equals to 1. In the same way, log 10 to the base 10 will always be equals to 1. Next, log 1 to the base anything will be equals to 0. Next, 7th one we haven't discussed yet. 8th one, log m into n is log m plus log n. Log m by n is log m minus log n. Log a into b into c, so on till z is log a plus log b plus log c, so on till z. Next, I'm having log a power m, which is m log a base b power n, 1 by n log a base b. Next, log a power m base b power n is m by n log a base b. Next, we have seen two base shifting properties. Log a base b can be written as 1 by log b base a, or log a base b can also be written as log a by log b. Next, log a base b, log b base c, log c base a is equals to 1. Next, I said you if two logs are equal, log will get cancelled and x will be equals to y. Next. Now, the 17th and 18th one, these are the points which you need to remember, my dear friends. 17th and 18th one. These two are 17th one is a simple property here. A is equals to log x base 2x. B is equals to log 2x base 3x. C is equals to log 3x base 4x. Then 1 plus ABC will be equals to 2BC. If you want, you can prove it. Our proving is not required. If you can remember, you remember it. If you cannot remember, fine, there's no issue. Now log 2 is 0.3010, log 3 is 0.4771, log 5 is 0.6990. So how did we get these values? We can do it in calculator, my dear friends. I'll tell you how to do in calculator. I'm having log A base B. How will you do it in calculator? You'll do A under root 19 times minus 1 divided by B under root 19 times minus 1. Let me show you how to do this. This 19th one is a property of indices. When we do indices, I will even develop this property. There is no issue. But first, let's focus on this one, calculator 1. I'm asking you to calculate the value of log 25 to the base 8. Example. Log 25 to the base 8. I want you to calculate. How will you calculate? What you'll do is that if log A base B is given, first you will do the numerator. A under root 19 times minus 1 divided by B under root 19 times minus 1. Sir, why under root 19 times? We'll get correct exact answer. So let's do here. 25 root symbol 19 times minus 1 whole divided by 8 under root 19 times minus 1. Okay. If you are perfect in calculator, you need not write it also. You can directly do it in the calculator. Let's do this. First 25 under root 19 times. 25, take 25 in your calculator. Press root symbol 19 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Minus 1. 0.0000061393. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros we have. Divided by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Minus 1. 0 point. Again, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 9, 6, 6, 2. Directly in this case, what you can do m plus divided by MRC equals to, like that also you will get the answer. There's no issue. You will not write in your book and you can do that. So answer 1.54795 approximately equals to 1.5480. Take 1 minute, pause the video here and try it. So I hope it's fine, my dear friends, how to calculate log 25 to the base 8. In the same way, if you want to calculate log 2, how will you calculate log 2 then? Log 2. So log 2 is simple. You will do 2 under root 19 times minus 1. Nothing is there in the base, so you will take it as 10. 10 under root 19 times minus 1. Whenever you are free and whenever you are bored, you can go ahead and do this by yourself. Okay. So I hope it's fine. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and let's tackle few sums, my dear friends. They're simple sums, nothing much difficulty in the sums. Now see this question number 1. He is asking you to calculate log 8 to the base 3 divided by log 8 to the base 3 whole divided by log 16 to the base 9 into log 10 to the base 4. That's a given question. So question number 1. Let's go ahead and simplify this first. Now, log 8 to the base 3. How can I write it, my dear friends? Can I write it as log 2 cubed to the base 3? Yes, sir. Log 16 to the base 9. How can I write it as log 2 power 4 to the base 3 square? Log 10 to the base 4. How can I write it as? Log 10, I'll write it as log 10 only to the base 2 square. Now 3 log 2 base 3 divided by 4 by 2 log 2 base 3 into 1 by 2 log 10 base 2. Now, my dear friends, I can cancel log 2 base 3, log 2 base 3. Next, 2 into 2, 4. Okay. So, what is left? 3 divided by log 10 to the base 2. Now, base shifting, 3 log 2 to the base 10. So, 3 log 2 to the base 10. So, what's the answer? Answer is option A. Simple, nothing much difficulty. Next, question number 2. Log x to the base 10. Already we have done this sum. Converting log into number. Cross product. 10,000 power minus 1 by 4. So 10,000 I'll write it as 10 power 4 whole power minus 1 by 4. 4, 4 cancel. 10 power minus 1, which is simply 1 by 10. Okay. Next, third one. 1 by log ABC base AB plus ABC base BC, ABC base CA. Let's do this, my dear friends. Third one. 1 by log ABC to the base AB plus 1 by log ABC to the base BC plus 1 by log ABC to the base CA. Now we know base shifting. Log A base B can be written as 1 by log B base A. Now ulta, reverse. Let's shift to the base. Log AB to the base ABC plus log BC to the base ABC plus log CA to the base ABC. What is log M plus log N? Log Mn. Yes, sir, log Mn. Log AB into BC into CA to the base ABC. So it is log A square into B square into C square to the base ABC. Log ABC whole square to the base ABC. So 2 comes outside. 2 log ABC to the base ABC. What is log ABC base ABC? Obviously, sir, 1. So what's the answer? 2 into 1, which is equals to 2. Simple sum? Yes, sir, simple sum. Next. Question number 4. Take 2 minutes time and try solving question number 4, my dear friends. So let's go ahead and try solving this question number 4. It's simple again. Now, 7 log 16 by 15. Now, 7 into log 16, how can I write it? I can write it as log we can go ahead and, or else let's do one thing. Let's change it back into a number. I'll write it as log 16 power 7 divided by 15 power 7 plus log 25 power 5 base 24 power 5 plus log 81 power 3 by 80 power 3. Okay. So 753 I have removed. What is log A plus log B? Log AB or log M plus log N? Log Mn, right? So it will be log 16 power 7 divided by 15 power 7, 25 power 5, 24 power 5, 81 power 3 by 80 power 3. Let's simplify this, my dear friends. Log 16, how can I write it as? I can write it as 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 whole power 7. 15, how can I write it as? 5 into 3. 5 into 3 whole power 7. 25, I'll write it as 5 square whole power 5. 24, how can I write it as? 24 divided by 8, 3. 2 cube into 3. 81, I'll write it as 3 square 9, 3 power 4 whole cube. Next 80, again I can write 80 divided by 16, 16 into 5. So 2 power 4 into 5 whole cube. Now can you see entire values got simplified, right? We know this property, right? A power m whole power n will be equals to a power mn. So let me take the same thing over here. Log, what is 2 power 4 into 7? 2 power 28. Whole divided by 5 power 7 into 3 power 7 into 5 power 10 by 2 power 15 into 3 power 5 into 3, 4 3 is 12, 2 power 12 into 5 cube. Okay, so these are all the values what we have. So let's go ahead. Log, we know what is a power m base b power n, sorry, a power m by a power n, a power m minus n, right? So 2 power 28 minus 15 minus 12 into 5 power 10 minus 7 minus 3 into 3 power 12 minus 7 minus 5. 2 power 28 minus 15 minus 12. 5 power 10 minus 7 minus 3. 3 power 12 minus 7 minus 5. Okay. So log 2 power, what is 28 minus 15 minus 12? 2 power 1. 10 minus 7 minus 3, 0. 12 minus 7 minus 5, 0. So answer is log 2. Little lengthy one, but yeah, simple one. We'll just test you all the basics of logarithms, what we have learned till now. Okay, don't expect this lengthy in the examination. They'll just ask you the base of this. Okay, this sum I have taken so that we'll understand all the basics. Okay, there's similar one sum in ICA material. The same lengthy sum, that is. Let's do that also. It's very simple. Though it is lengthy, it is simple. Will help us in understanding basics. Example, I'm having log 4 under root 729 into 3 under root 9 power minus 1 into 27 power minus 4 by 3. This is the given question, my dear friends. He is asking you to simplify this. First, what I'll do, I'll simplify this one. This looks simple for me. I'll simplify this one. 9 power minus 1 into 27 power minus 4 by 3. Now 9 power minus 1. How can I write 9 power minus 1? 3 power minus 2. 27, how can I write 3 cube? Power minus 4 by 3. 3, 3 cancel. So 3 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 4. That is 3 power minus 2 minus 4. That is 3 power minus 6. So I'll write it as log 4 under root 729 into 3 under root 3 power minus 6. Now, my dear friends, let me go ahead and simplify this one. 3 under root 3 power minus 6. So 3 power minus 6 by 3. 3 power minus 2. What is 3 power minus 2? Obviously, sir, 1 by 9. So log 4 under root 729 divided by 9. What is 729 by 9? 729 divided by 9. Log 4 root 81. 4 root 81. I'll write it as log 4 root 3 power 4. So what is 4 root 3 power 4? Log 3. Simple. So log 4 under root 729 into 3 under root 9 power minus 1 into 27 power minus 4 by 3 eventually got reduced to log 3. Okay. Instead of directly saying log 3, he gave so many things. Okay, sir, it's fine. Sometimes it happens. So it's a simple sum, nothing much difficulty. Let's proceed to the next one. Now, question number 5. Log 2. What is telling? Log 2 into log 3 into log x base 2 is equals to 1. He's asking you to go ahead and calculate the value of x. Okay, sir, let's calculate the value of x. It's nothing much difficulty here. Fifth one. Paste this. Now, we know how to convert log back into number, right? Log x to the base a is equals to k. A power k is equals to x. A power k is equals to x. This is how you'll convert log back into number. So 2 power 1 is equals to this entire value. Log base 3, log x base 2 is equals to 2 power 1. Okay. Now again, let's get back again. Log x base 2 is equals to 3 square. So log x base 2 is equals to 9. Again, 2 power 9 is equals to x. What is 2 power 9, my dear friends? 512. Okay. So this is how you will convert log back into number. Okay. So answer is 512. Let's check. Yes. Now do one thing, my dear friends. I'll give you 2 questions. Just try solving them and tell me. They are in the same parallels again. Or else in that one question I'll solve, one question you can solve. Okay. Example. Log 3, log 2, log t base 3 is equals to 1. I'm asking what is the value of t. Again, as usual, what you will do, you'll come backwards. You'll be coming backwards. First, 3 power 1. Log base 2, log t base 3 is equals to 3 power 1. Again, come from backwards. Log t base 3 is equals to 2 cube. Log t base 3 is equals to 8. Backwards. 3 power 8 is equals to t. So what is 3 power 8? 6561. Simple? Yes, sir, simple. Now, I said you 2 sums you will be solving, right? Solve these 2 sums and tell me the answer. Example. Log 1 by 2 log t log 32 base 4 is equals to 2. I want you people to calculate t value here. Next. Log t plus log t minus 3 is equals to 1. I'm asking what is t? Option A 5, option B 7, option D 2, option C 2, option D none. Take 2 minutes and not 2 minutes, take 4 minutes, pause the video and make sure that you'll solve it. So let's look into the answers, my dear friends. Again, we'll come from backwards. Log base t log 32 base 4 is equals to 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. So log base t log 32 base 4 is equals to 1 by 4. Okay. Now, same backwards. Log 32 base 4 is equals to t power 1 by 4. So log 32 base 4 is given as t power 1 by 4. What is t power 1 by 4, my dear friends? T power 1 by 4, can I write it as 4 root t? Yes, sir, I can write it as 4 root t. Now, again, backwards. 32 is equals to 4 power 4 root t. 32 is equals to 4 power 4 root t. This is the given point here. Now, 32, how can I write 32 as? 32, can I write it as 2 power 5, my dear friends? Yes, sir. 4 power 4 root t, can I write as 2 square into 4 root t? Yes, sir. We know this point, right? If bases are equal, powers can be equated. Equate powers. Equate powers. Let us equate the powers. 5 is equals to 2 into 4 root t. So 5 by 2 is equals to t power 1 by 4. Let's send 4 to the left side. 5 by 2 whole power 4 is equals to t. What is 5 power 4? 625. 2 power 4? 8. So what is the value of t, my dear friends? The value of t is 2 power 4 is 16, sir. So value of t is 625 divided by 16. Little tricky here, students get stuck. What to do after this? You need not do anything. Just you need to simplify it and you need to equate the powers. That's it. There's nothing special from here. Okay. Next. This example. Log t plus log t minus 3 is equals to 1. Now, what is log m plus log n? Log mn. Log t into t minus 3 is equals to 1. Nothing is there. You'll take the base as 10. Convert log back into number. T into t minus 3 is equals to 10. Now you can check with the options. Let's substitute option A, my dear friends. If you substitute option A, what you'll get? Option A. Option A. 5 into 5 minus 3. 5 into 2. Is it 10? Yes, sir. Option A is matching. Option B, option C will not match. You need not check. So what is the answer here? Answer is option A. Simple sum. Nothing much difficulty. Yes, sir. Nothing much difficulty. Let's proceed to the next sums. They're covering maximum possible cases, so need not worry about that. Now, seventh one is similar to the sum what we have solved just now. Before going to the sixth one, let's do this seventh one, because seventh one is somewhat similar to the sum what we have solved just now. To see, my dear friends, in the seventh one, is telling log x square plus x divided by 4 minus log x plus 1 divided by 4 is equals to 2. What is log m minus log n? Log m by n, right? So I'll write it as log x square plus 4, so x square plus x log x square plus x divided by x plus 1 to the base 4 is equals to 2. This is the given sum what he gave in point number 7. Question number 7. If you see, this is the instance what we have. Now, my dear friends, in x square plus x, can I take x common? Obviously, sir, we can. Log, let me take x common. If I take x common, I'll get x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the base 4 is equals to 2. X plus 1 cancel. So log x to the base 4 is equals to 2. Converting log back into number, 4 square is equals to x, which is equals to 60. Simple sum. Yes, sir, quite simple. Nothing much to prevent it. So what's the answer? Answer is 16. Next, question number 8. What is there over here? It is similar to question number 2, I hope. That's similar to question number 3, sorry. This is base shifting property, my dear friends. 1 by log 60 to the base 3 is given. How will I write log 60 to the base 3? I'll let us log 3 to the base 60 plus log 4 to the base 60 plus log 5 to the base 60. What is log a plus b? Log ab. Log 3 into 4 into 5 to the base 60. So log 60 to the base 60, which is simply equals to 1. So this entire 8th one value will be 1. Next, coming to this question number 9, log 2 value is given, log 3 value is given, log 24 value is given. He's asking. You can do it in calculator. You can do 24 under root 19 times minus 1 divided by 10 under root 19 times minus 1. Or you can use the information what he has given here. Log 24 is given, my dear friends. How will you write log 24? Can I write log 24 like this? Log 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24, right? Log 2 cube into 3. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 3 is obviously 24, sir. No. What is log AB? Log A plus log B. Log 2 cube, I'll write it as 3 log 2 plus log 3. 3 into, what is log 2 value? 0.3010 plus log 3 value 0.4771. Let's get the final answer. 0.3010 into 3 plus 0.4771. The answer is 1.3801. So 1.3801. So this is question number 8. We got the answer as 1. This is question number 9. We got 1.3801. Simple, sir. Nothing much difficulty over here. Now, before proceeding to 10 and 11, my dear friends, let's solve this question number 6 first. He's telling 2 log x plus 2 log x square plus 2 log x cube, so on till 2 log x power n. What is this? Let's solve it. Now, question number 6. He's telling 2 log x. Base he gave anything? Nah, sir. Base is nothing. Base is missing. So if base is missing, base is 10. 2 log x square plus 2 log x cube plus 2 log x power 4, so on, 2 log x power n. Now I'll take 2 common. If I take 2 common, what will have? Log x plus log x square plus log x cube plus log x power 4, so on till log x power n. Now, log x is as it is. Log x square, my dear friends, can I write 2 log x? Obviously, sir. Log x cube, 3 log x. Log x power 4, 4 log x. So on, n log x. Now, my dear friends, let's take log x common. Yes, sir. Let's take log x common. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so on till n. What is sum of first and natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. N into n plus 1 log x. Okay, simple sum. N into n plus 1 log x. So answer is option B. Next. Let's try question number 10. Log x base 4 plus log x base 16 plus log x base 64 plus log x base 256 is equals to 25 by 6, it seems. Wow, let's do this. Question number 10. Log x base 4, 4, 16, 64, 256. 64 to 56 is equals to how much he gave? 25 by 6. Okay. What he's asking, my dear friends, is asking you to calculate the value of x. Then let's calculate what is that. Now, log x, 4 can I write it as 2 square? Yes, sir. Plus log x, 16 can I write it as 2 power 4? Yes, sir. 64 can I write it as 2 power 6? Yes, sir. 256 can I write it as 2 power 8? Yes, sir. 25 by 6. Now, what is log x base 2 square? 1 by 2 log x base 2 plus 1 by 4 log x base 2 plus 1 by 6 log x base 2 plus 1 by 8 log x base 2 is equals to 25 by 6. 25 by 6 only? Yeah, 25 by 6 only. Now, can I take log x base 2 common, my dear friends? Yes, sir. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 log x base 2 is equals to 25 by 6. What is the LCM, sir? LCM is 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 square, 2 power 4, 2 power 6, 2 power 8. Okay. So what is the LCM? 2, 4, 6, 8. What do you think LCM? Let's do, sir. We don't know LCMs. Let's do it. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s. Okay. Next 2 1s, 1s, 3s, 2s. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. So 24 is LCM, my dear friends. To log x base 2. 2 into 12, 24. Plus 4 into 6, 24. 6 into 4, 8 into 3 is equals to 25 by 6. Now, 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. So 25 by 24 into log x base 2 is equals to 25 by 6. Here, my dear friends, can I cancel 25, 25? Yes, sir. Next, can I cancel 6, 1, 6, 4s? Yes, sir. So what is left? 1 by 4 log x base 2 is equals to 1. Send 4 there. Log x base 2 is equals to 4. 2 power 4 is equals to x. 2 power 4 is equals to x. What is 2 power 4? Obviously, sir, 16. Sir, I don't want this much headache. Can I do option verification? Yeah, you can do option verification. That's your headache. Who stops you? Nobody will stop you. Right? Now, similar sum, one sum is there. I want you to solve. Not now. When you're free at your home, you can solve that. There is no issue. This is for your homework. Homework. Log x base 2 plus log x base 4 plus log x base 16 is equals to 21 by 4. I am asking what is the value of x. Please note, answer will be x is equals to 8. Please solve this whenever you are free. It is exactly same as a previous question, what we have done just now. Okay. X is 16. Now last sum. All are done? Yeah, all are done. Log x base 10 minus 3 by 2 plus 11 minus log x base 10 by 3 is equals to 2. He's asking you to calculate the value of x. Either you can do option verification or you can solve it. Okay. How will you do option verification? Instead of x, go ahead and substitute 10. Okay, because what is log 10 base 10? Obviously, sir, log 10 base 10 is 1, right? Let us substitute this 10 and see. Log 10 base 10, 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 11 minus 1 by 3. Yeah. What is 1 minus 3? Minus 2 by 2. 11 minus 1, 10 by 3. Do you think this will be equals to 2? Impossible, sir. It won't be equals to 2. So C can't be the answer. Let's substitute option B, 10 square. What is log 10 square base 10? 2 log 10 base 10, which is equals to 2. 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 11 minus 2 by 3. What is 2 minus 3? Minus 1 by 2. 11 minus 2, 9 by 3. Now, minus 0.5 plus 3. It is equals to 2.5. Again, this can't be the answer. So next, 10 cube. Let us substitute 10 cube and check. Log 10 cube base 10, it will be 3 log 10 base 10. So answer will be 3. 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 11 minus 3 by 3. Now 3 minus 3, 0. 0 by something, 0 plus 8 by 3. Again, unfortunately, it's not equals to 2. So D can't be the answer. So what is left, my dear friends? Only option A is left. So option A is the answer. If you want, you can check. Log 10 power minus 1 to the base 10 minus 1 log 10 base 10, which is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 11 minus of minus 1 divided by 3. Minus 4 by 2 plus 12 by 3. What is minus 4 by 2? Minus 2. 12 by 3, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So option verification, what is the answer? Option A is the answer. I hope it's fine, everybody. So I hope all these questions are clear. Simple questions, all the 11 questions, and we have done few examples also. Now see here, my dear friend, there is one property which I haven't discussed. Let's discuss that property. This one. A log n to the base A is equals to n. There is similar parallel. There is one more property. A log B can be written as B log A. Okay. A log B can be written as B log A. Using the same property, this n gets shifted. Then it will be n log A base A. What is log A base A? 1. So that's the reason A log n base A will be equals to n. So A log B, my dear friends, can also be written as B log A. Okay. This A and A gets interchanged. No. Like there was one question in the examination, what he has asked. Where we have place? We have place here. There was a question in the examination, what he asked. The question was somewhat like this. He asked A power 1 by log A base B. This is the given question. He was asking what was the value of this. Now, my dear friends, we know base shifting property, right? Can I write it as A power log B to the base A? Yes, base got shifted, right? Now, using the earlier property, I'll interchange these two things. So B power log A base A. What is log A base A? 1. So B power 1, answer is B. Okay. So simple question. Nothing much difficulty over here. And last exam question. This question was little tricky, but yeah, you should be in a position to crack it. If X, Y, Z are consecutive. I am asking what is the value of log 1 plus zx minus 2 log y. Is telling X, Y, Z are consecutive. You can take any three consecutive numbers. Let's take X is equals to 1, Y is equals to 2, Z is equals to 3. Okay. Log 1 plus Z into X, 3. Minus 2 log Y is 2. So log 4 minus 2 log 2. Now, we know log A power M, I can write it as M log A, right? So M log A, I'll write it as log A power M. So log 4 minus log 2 square. So log 4 minus log 4. Cancel. So what's the resultant? 0. Okay. So that's all regarding logs, my dear friends. Simple. So in next class, what we'll do linear inequalities. Okay. And there are some questions what I'll share on logs. There are some 35 questions. Already most of the questions I have solved. Some 10 to 15 questions I couldn't solve. What you do is that just go ahead and try solving them by yourself. Answers are there. I'll share that PDF in the group. Just once try solving them. That's it, my dear friends. Balance things. We'll see in the next session.